Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out the BeautyFIX, there we go, the BeautyFIX by Dermstore subscription box for this month. If you are not familiar with BeautyFIX by Dermstore, it is a subscription box that Dermstore puts out. Dermstore is an online shopping site where you can get all kinds of skincare, makeup, beauty items. You can even use your FSA card or HSA card from your medical insurance to purchase some of the products because they're beneficial to you in that way. So a lot of good things. Check out the website. I'll leave it in the description below. But they do put out a subscription box every month just so you can get a sampling of some of the products that they have. You should get some full size in here, but you will get a lot of sample sizes. You should get at least $100 value per box. So I let my subscription lapse because I would get mine 3 months at a time. So I'll put in the description the different costs, but you can get 1 month at a time. You can get 3 months at a time. You can get 3 months paid ahead as a different cost. I think you can get 6 or 12 months at a time versus paying once a month or but committed to that many months or those many months paid ahead. And the price per box varies depending on which of those packages you get. So I get the 3 months at a time bundle, and that comes out to be about $27 a box-ish. So normally I think the most you'll pay is $29.95, just around $30 a box. But I didn't like the one that came out the month after mine expired, so I just waited until it looked like there was going to be some products that I was going to want. So I resubscribed for what is this, March, and we got our box the other day, and there's you a sneak peek of the main reason I picked up this box. So for the BeautyFIX box, the first product is this MZ Skin face mask, and it's a 2-piece gold face mask. This is a $35 single-use mask. So this one product for your face is $35 for one use. I would not pay $35 for this. However, it really does work really great. If you have a special event coming up, a night out, anything that you want to look extra good for and you want to pay for it, this will make your skin look incredible. I looked so much younger. I've used this. I got one of these in a BeautyFIX box a long time ago. I used it. I looked a lot younger, noticeably younger. My skin looks so much better just from one use. We got another one of these. We resubscribed intentionally because there was another box, or else we were able to get a previous box one-time purchase. I don't remember. But we got another one, and my sister used it, and she looked incredible. So this mask is why I resubscribed for March of 2026, because I wanted this mask. This mask costs more than the box would cost you. So this mask is the cost of the box plus a little bit. It is a single-use mask, but it is an amazing mask. It's a 2-piece gold mask, and it fits part of it over your top of your head and face and part of it over the bottom of your face. But amazing product. MZ Skin, 35 and change mask just by itself. But we still have 4 other products in here. So did we get to a total of around $100 value for this box? To be honest, looking at the products, I saw what I was going to get beforehand, but I didn't know they were going to be so small. So let me show you. I'm not sure. We'll have to check out what the cost for these are, if any of these are full size, which I'm going to doubt. But they're great brands. One thing you can count on with Dermstore is you're going to get quality, high-end, effective brands in your box. So the first thing we get is the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow. And this is a 15 grams, so we got a ½ an ounce pot. I am not going to open this because I don't know if it is sealed, and I'm going to leave it sealed, but I'll show you in the corner. You can see the picture of the box, the picture of the pot that's in there. I don't know if this is a full-size product or a sample size. It is not an eye cream. If it was an eye cream, I would say 100% it's going to be full size. But I think this is just a deluxe travel size. So we'll find out. I'll put here in the corners if we're full size, if we're travel size, what the value is, of the full size, if we have it, and if we can tell what the value of our product would be. And as I go, actually, before I show you anymore, let me show you how cute they package this. So you get your box in these little squigglies, and you can see there's the spot exactly where this little box goes. They packaged it really well. All right, so my next little product is from Goop Beauty, and this is the Mediterranean Instant, I had to check it out, Microderm. Okay, so this is Goop Beauty Goop Glow Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. So we got a little pot of this, and this is a 5 ml size, so a little bit. Let's see what the little pot looks like. Oh, okay. This is a box. This is the pot. So if you thought the box was little, this is this big. It's so small. So this is just a little fight. Instead of a squeezy tube, they gave us a pot, which you probably can get more of the usable product out of a pot than you can get out of a squeezy tube, because you can guarantee you can squeeze all of the product out of the pot. So this is from Goop Beauty. Is Goop Beauty the one that Gwyneth Paltrow does, or is hers something else? If you know, leave me a comment. I think this is the Gwyneth Paltrow brand, but somebody confirm for me in the comments. I would love to know. All right, so we still have 2 more products. The next one is it's the Grande Lash MD. So this is a deluxe travel size of the lash building product from Grande. So this is lush looking lashes, all your own. And this is a lash enhanced serum. So the full size of this, it was so expensive. I want to say it was around $60. So this one probably has some good value for just a little one. I have 2 or 3 of the full size ones, honestly, and I try to use them, and I just never keep doing it. So this is a little one. I'm not going to open it because, like I said, I've got at least 2 in my bathroom going, plus another brand. But it's a tiny little brush, and you just paint it on your lashes, and you do want to be consistent about it, not like I'm doing. And over weeks, it should enhance the growth of your lashes. This does actually work. I just haven't been consistent with it to experience the benefit on my own lashes. So sadly, I haven't, but I'll probably find a new home for this since I have others that I'm already not using. I don't need another one to not use. The last product in here, I think, is a full size. This is Wander Double Date. I feel like I've had this before. I'm not going to open it, but it's 2 colors. It's 2 pink colors. It's sealed, and I don't need another eyeshadow right now, but I think this is eyeshadow. This is eyeshadow duo. So it's a very pretty eyeshadow duo. I have these colors already, so I'll probably also find this one a new home, but that's why I don't want to break the seal on it. But that is so pretty. You get the colors are Wink and Bay. There you go. So we did get a full size, and I'll check the value for this one. We probably did end up with $100 value for this box. I'm going to say we did. So we got our Wander eyeshadow duo. We got our Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow. We got our Grande Lash travel size. We got our Goop Beauty exfoliator, and we got our $35 MZ Skin mask. So this was a great box. It was definitely worth the money that I paid for it for me. The nice thing about the nice thing about BeautyFIX is before you subscribe, if you want to do like I did and wait till your first box is at least one you know you're going to want to get. Once the new month starts, you can see what's coming in that box on the website. So if you don't like the stuff that's in that box, wait for the next month and see what's coming. Do know that if you sign up at the end of the month, you're going to still get the box for that month, but then you're going to immediately get billed for and shipped the next box. So if I had signed up the end of February, I would be looking at 2 boxes right now instead of 1. So I would have had 2 kind of back to back, which has happened to me because I keep forgetting that that's a thing. So it is a real thing. So that was our BeautyFIX by Dermstore for March. We also will have April and May to look at coming up, and if I continue the subscription, more after that. But check out BeautyFIX if you are into skincare. It is your jam. I'm just telling you, you will find some great things in this box to try out to benefit your skin, and like we saw here, occasionally makeup as well. So check it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Please hit subscribe if you haven't yet. If you did enjoy this video, I'd love for you to hit like. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.